Hello everybody, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to detail your engine bay. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Before we continue any further, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start on the video. Okay guys, so in today's how to clean an engine bay, we're going to be doing it for those people who the engine bay is not that dirty. As you can see, we have a little bit dirt over here, so we're going to clean that up, but I'm going to show you how to basically detail a relatively clean engine bay. We'll show you how to do a dirty one later, but this is how we do a more cleaner one. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab Tough Stuff, and this fabric right here we are going to clean. Okay guys, so next we're going to grab a glass cleaner and we're going to spray around all the engine bay and also right here, and then clean with a microfiber towel. Now remember, this is an engine bay that's not that dirty. Do not try to do that in a very dirty engine bay. Once we get into pollen season next year, I'm probably going to make a video on how to do that. So here we go. Okay guys, so next we're going to be using hydrosilix ceramic coating to ceramic coat the engine bay and microfiber towel. Alright guys, and there you have it. Thank you for watching this video on how to detail an engine bay. And go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell.